Hello, welcome to Digital Filmmaking from the pioneers of creative education. This Image Minds Creative and IQ Development Kit enables children to produce par professional videos, right from planning the content and shooting the videos to using video editing software to perform post-production works including video audio editing, adding visual effects, generating the final output, etc. in digital medium, thus ensuring high retention of the knowledge sought. The fully loaded age-appropriate toolkit comes in a stylish multi-utility backpack that houses videography supporting materials, art and craft materials, model making materials, components for activity involving electronics, other supporting materials, multilingual video tutorials for barrier-free learning in SD card, iOS and Android platforms. A content-rich book with step-by-step instructions. Using this toolkit, the children will be able to perform 14 par professional video creation activities. The hands-on pre-production activities help to write scripts and create supporting stage properties like paper puppets, miniature models, costume-related props, mic flag, and a lot more. The production activities help set up the camera and lights for shooting. The final post-production activities include video editing, audio recording and editing, adding visual effects, compositing, and a lot more. In addition, the course provides the opportunity to perform robotic activities. The digital filmmaking activities enable the children to prepare narration on given topics, write their own stories and text for posters, create designs and models using a variety of local materials, create posters and video presentations, prepare questions for interviewing, write a script about their culture and festivals, and narrate the same as a video presentation. Express own views on a social issue, create a mini autobiography, actively participate in group activities, role play and dramatization, explore their culture and heritage, explore symmetry in 3D shapes, demonstrate the use of technology in daily life by building a simple electrical circuit. Image Minds Creative and IQ Development Kit is the best thing that you can help your child reach their full creative potential. So what are you waiting for? Grab the kit today.